Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a budget with me. I have already planned out my week. If you didn't see that video that was posted on Sunday, I will link it above in case you wanted to watch it. But for my budget with me's, I have now only been using a half sheet in order to stay on top of my bills, to check off when certain things have been paid, and it has really been working out for me. If you want to see how last week came out, this is pretty much I've been just using the back of each sheet in order to keep track of all of the bills, and then I just kind of use a red pen to check off when each thing is paid. So I'm going to be doing the same thing this week. I'm just using my monthly setup in order to see what bills I have to pay for that particular week. So we already did the ones in blue, that was the very first week. The ones in green was the second week, and now we are working on the 19th through the 24th, and that will be all of the bills that are in orange. So with my budget, I use the 60-40 rule, meaning that 60% of my budget goes toward paying my expenses and my bills, and 40% is divided up into 4 different categories. 10% goes towards giving, 10% goes toward short-term savings or sinking funds, 10% goes toward long-term savings and investments, that's for my retirement, and 10% goes toward debt repayment. So that's how we've been doing it for quite some time, and it has really been working out for us. We used to use the Dave Ramsey baby steps as far as our budgeting, but we did decide to switch it up. And if you didn't see the video on us getting back into credit card debt and what happened, I will link that video above. But this system has been working out really well. So I'm going to start with our 4 categories at the top, and then at the bottom I'm going to write out all our bills and see where we are for the week. This is basically the breakdown. I always do adjustments if I need it. So basically I do the 60-40 rule. However, with this particular budget, I couldn't do 10% of each of those categories and still have enough to cover all of my bills. So I did 5% in long-term savings and 5% in short-term savings, 12.5% into giving, and 10% into my debt category, and then the rest will go toward bills. So seeing the breakdown, it's $56.25 in offering, it's $2.25 in tithe. Long-term saving is going to be $112.50, and short-term savings will be the same. So that will help us cover any sinking funds or anything that we may need that may come up, and we might need it to, cover any emergencies. With our debt repayment, I'm putting $225 on our credit card. $60 goes to the water bill, $500 to the car note because we are trying to pay that off as quickly as possible. Our mortgage will get $500. I thought it was $700, but when I looked at it, I only needed $500 to complete the payment for the upcoming month. $150 for food, $30 for the hair expenses for my girls, $140 in miscellaneous expenses. This is just pocket money for me and my husband. So I get $70, he gets $70. $18.52 for the utility bill, and $100 toward my business because I do need ink and other things for my sticker shop. I mainly take out all of my expenses out of my personal account because I am using my sticker shop money in order to pay off debt. So it's just another stream of income that helps me get further along with paying off debt. So now I'm just going to add everything up and see what my expenses are for this upcoming week. So I've added everything up, and the expenses for this week is $2,229.77. The income is $2,250 even, which leaves us a balance in the bill account of $20.23. So now I'm gonna just go through real quick and put a little notation next to each item to let me know how it's going to get paid. Like, some items get paid from our spending account, some items are paid from our bill account, but I like to notate where the money will be sitting so that I can make sure I'm pulling from the correct account. Okay, now I've allocated which account the money will be sitting in and where it will be going to. So for my giving, all of that will come out of our bill account. For long term, it will be in our bill account, but it will be going to our Fidelity account. And then for short-term savings, it will be in our bill account, but going to a Capital One money market account. For the Chase credit card, it will be paid from the billing account, water from the bills account, car note from the bills account, the mortgage also from the bills account, and then all of these additional ones, food, hair, and personal, will be in our spending account. So I have added an S here, and then our utility bill from the bill account, and from our the business expenses will be from the bill account to my business account. So that is basically it. And then as I paid everything, I will just check it off with this red pen. So that's it for the bills. And as far as the expenses, different things that happened this week, I will keep track of them here. And I also use this for any additional income that comes in also. I will jot down that additional income has come in and then kind of jot down what I have decided to do with that income. So any income and also any expenses. I hope you guys have enjoyed this budget with me. I hope these videos are helping you. If they are, make sure that you let me know in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you, and let me know if any additional ideas, anything that y'all want to know for future videos. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.